Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to add admin on Facebook group. So first, go to your Facebook. Then, click the three lines here. Scroll down and click Groups. At the top, click Your Groups. Then, click the groups you manage. Then, in this group, you will click the shield at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for People. Click it. On your friend list, you can add your admin to your group. Then click Invite as admin. Again, send invite. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.